Hello guys, today let's review the Qumatix trading bot. Is it the ultimate AI-powered investing tool? Let's find out. So Qumatix is an AI-driven trading bot designed to automate trades on the Qumatix platform. It supports over 100 assets including indices, commodities, and metals, and offers customizable strategies based on indicators like RSI, MACD, and CCI. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface allowing setup in under 5 minutes and provides a $10,000 demo account for practice. However, a significant drawback is the absence of a stop-loss feature, which raises concerns for risk management, especially when using aggressive strategies like martingale. Users have reported issues with withdrawals, citing delays and extensive documentation requirements. These challenges are compounded by the platform's reliance on Codex, which has its own set of reputational concerns. While Qumatix offers promising features for automated trading, potential users should approach with caution. It's advisable to thoroughly test strategies on the demo account and be aware of the platform's limitations before committing real funds.